Give Daddy a kiss. Yeah! Pero yun talaga bumungad sa aking paningin, guys. Si Daddy Mike na nakatutok sa akin ba. Like he was staring at me. Good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Saturday, everyone. As you can see, nandito kami sa labas. Hindi obvious. Nandito kami sa labas ngayon. It's currently 2 o'clock ng hapon and we are on our way to the park para ilaro si Paris. Actually, nandun sila, guys, oh. Ang layo-layo na nila. Nag-stop muna kami dito sa isang Korean restaurant, guys, na malapit sa amin kasi gusto kong bumili ng Korean fried chicken. Ayan. And kaka-order lang namin. And it's gonna take a while. Kaya naglakad-lakad muna kami. Si Paris kasi ayaw niyang magpababa at gusto na niyang pumunta ng park. Kaya nilakad-lakad muna siya ni Daddy Mike. Dito pala kami, guys, oh. Suga Korean restaurant. Ang tingnan nyo naman ang ating suot, guys. Oh. Suot ko na naman ang aking uniform na jacket na sobrang makapal kasi alam nyo today dito sa Melbourne it's only 13 degrees, maximum 13 degrees, guys, kaya nanginginig kami kapag hindi kami nagja-jacket. Umulan siya kaninang umaga tapos nung naglalakad na kami papunta dito sa Korean restaurant parang nagdi-drizzle ba siya, so nag-stop na siya ngayon. Hopefully hindi na siya uulan kasi paano na lang yung park ni Paris. Tingnan nyo ang train. I'm not too sure kung bakit bumabiyahe pa rin yung train kahit na bawal naman lumabas. Close naman lahat ng shops. Sa city, ganun. So, hindi talaga ako sigurado, guys, kung bakit. Asa na kaya si Daddy Mike at si Paris? Babalik na ako sa Babalik na ako sa restaurant ko baka kasi luto na yung ating KFC. Yun yung tawag nila, guys, KFC, Korean fried chicken. At naligo pala ako today. Tingnan nyo, oh, fresh na fresh ang aking hair. Hindi ko pala to siya sinuklay. Hinayaan ko lang siya na mag-air dry ba. Ayan. O, diba? Bongga. And you know what, guys? Ang aking mukha ba? I think it's been 4 or 5 days na gumagamit ako ng beauty derm. And nagpipil siya ng konti, guys. Medyo mahapdi din siya ng konti. Konti lang naman. Bearable siya. Ayan pala silang dalawa, guys. So, naglakad-lakad sila sa yung isang block talaga. Ayan sila. Hi, honey. Did you enjoy your walk? Hello. Hello. Still not ready, honey? Still not ready? Say, oh no. Oh no. Why is it not ready yet, Mommy?
There's a park.
Yes. Do you want to go to the park now?
A big slide.
Yeah.
Small slide.
Small
a
slide.
Big slide.
Oh, shush. Small slide. Big slide.
A big slide.
Do you like the big slide or the small slide?
It's a big one.
Because you're a big girl.
And it's good.
Good job.
I don't like the
And
small
guys, have a
slide.
look ang pants ni Daddy, guys. Oh.
Right.
Ito yung binili niya from, where's this one from again, Daddy?
Nina and Pasadena.
It's right.
Lina and Pasadena. Ayan. Tingnan niyo. Fit na fit sa kanya ba? Show me, Daddy, babe.
That's the slide.
Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda ng kulay. I-pair ng white. Super nice. Ma'am.
Mommy,
See, where's my chicken?
where's my chicken?
So, where's my chicken? Ay, shush! Love ni Mami ay.
Mommy,
Iniwan muna namin si Daddy Mike sa restaurant, guys, kasi ang ating baby girl ay gusto na talagang pumunta ng park. Ayan, oh. Wala na siya sa mood kasi gusto niya talagang maglaro. Kaya sabi ni Daddy Mike, pumunta na kayo ng park at ako na lang magpaiwan dito para hintayin yung pagkain. Sobrang bait talaga ni Daddy Mike, guys. I don't know what I've done in my past life to deserve him. Sobrang ano talaga ang tawag ito, very caring, very sweet, very romantic, lahat na lang talaga, guys. Actually, kaninang umaga, so si Daddy Mike talaga, very maaga yan siyang gumigising kasi pumupunta siya, naglalakad siya kapag umaga. Very early kaninang umaga, guys. Tulog na tulog pa si ate niyo. Pero parang feel ko na someone is staring at me ba, parang ganun. So, gumising ako, guys. Pero, yun talaga bumungad sa aking paningin, guys. Si Daddy Mike na nakatutok sa akin ba. Like, he was staring at me. Tapos, tinanong ko siya, guys. Sabi ko, why are you looking at me like that? Why are you staring at me? Ganon, sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos, alam niyo yung sagot niya sa akin, guys. Sabi niya, I'm just appreciating your beauty. Oh, diba? Si ate. Guys, tingnan niyo, oh. Super haba talaga ang aking buhok. Rapunzel. Alam niyo, guys, ginayuma ko siguro to si Daddy Mike, no? Kasi, alam niyo naman kung ano siya sa akin, guys, kung ano siya sa amin ni Paris. He surely is the best dad for Paris and the best partner for me. We're at the park. Uy! Ay! There you go! Ayan. Very excited ng baby. Si Daddy Mike, wala pa dito, guys. Where do you wanna play? Do you wanna go in the swing?
My daddy.
Or the slide?
My daddy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Ay, shush, call Daddy na.
Daddy.
Oh, shush! Daddy will be here soon, anak. Nagulat si Daddy sa chicken.
That's alright.
Yeah. Daddy will follow, okay?
Oh, that's my bunny.
Where's your bunny? You wanna play with your bunny? Where are you going? Ay, shush! Baka dun siya maglalaro, guys, oh.
Come in here. Come on in. Daddy will sit down. Daddy will sit down.
Swing with Daddy!
Put your legs in. Put your legs in.
Good job!
Hold on to this.
Bunnies.
Can you hold on to this? How about the hold on?
Hold on, Paris!
Put the bunny here. Okay, ready?
Hold on! Wow! Do you like it, Paris?
This is fun. Wow! Look at Daddy. Wow!
There, let's have a look at Paris' face. Give Daddy a kiss. Good job. Well done, Paris.
Is Bunny having fun?
Yes. Ito na pala ang ating fried chicken, guys. Tapos, may libreng kimchi yata to. And then, bili ako ng rice. Hala, the rice looks different. Parang purple. Tingnan nyo. Tapos, kakain tayo dito, guys. Uy, okay. Malapit na mag 2:30. That is pushing! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! Paris is sleeping. It's night time.
Wake up.
Wake up! Wake up!
Wake up.
Good night, Paris. It's dark now, nak.
No, it's sunny.
Oh, is it sunny? Where's the sun then? No more sun. It's dark. It's gonna be nighttime soon.
Oh, hang on.
This one.
Ang batang ito ayaw pong umuwi, guys. Oh, umuulan na, nak.
Marami kaya, ma'am. Sige.
Careful, daddy, ha?
No, you do it. Come on.
La, daddy, when she gets in there, daddy.
One more.
Yeah, good job.
How daddy's hand? How daddy's hand?
No, how this
Uuwi na kami after nito, guys. Kaya umuulan na. Oh, itong bata na to ayaw umuwi.
2, 3.
Wow! Good job! Good job!
Oh!
Come on!
Right.
It's nearly 5 o'clock, guys, at ang ating baby girl ay naglalaro ng kanyang teapot. What's anak, babe? Can you give mama some tea? Can you give mama tea, please? Thank you, Paris. Oh, no. Lala, basa, guys. So, tingnan nyo pala ang ating flower, guys. So beautiful. Ang ating tulip. Now, this one is open.
a pen?
This one is
Close.
closed. That's right. See, the third one is closed. That's right. Well done. Well done. Sobrang ganda ng kulay. And then, nag-ano ko ng fruit for Paris para sa kanyang snack. Although, kumain na siya ng mani kasama ko kanina. Kumain ako ng roasted peanut, guys. Yung binili namin sa, sa Asian shop. At hopefully, na-try ko to siya, guys. Ang mandarin, very sweet. So, hopefully, try ni Paris. Try the mandarin, nak. It's yummy. It's really sweet.
One paper.
Are you boo-boo? Okay, that's alright. You boo-boo. Si Daddy Mike pala natin, guys, ay nanap. Ayan. Iba din si Daddy Mike, guys. May panap na nalalaman. And nanonood si atin yun ng Showbiz Philippines top list. Mga char-char lang ba? Ayan. Gusto ko sanang pumunta ng shops, guys, kasi kailangan kong bumili ng milk and bread. Pumunta si Daddy Mike kanina, early this morning, pero yung binili niya, pancake and some fruits, pero walang milk tsaka bread. So if I feel like it, pupunta ko ng shops, guys. But at the moment, I don't really feel like it.
There's petticoats.
What's anak?
Petticoat. Come on, Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy's gone.
Daddy's gone? Where did he go?
I just don't know.
You don't know. Oh no.
He's gone.
He's gone. He's having a nap. He's having a nap. Yes. Sleeping. Makulimlim siya sa labas at sobrang maginaw. Kaya, I don't know if I'm going. I'll see how it goes, guys. Kasi ang aking ulo ay masakit pa. Alam niyo yung laruan doon sa park, yung magtuyok-tuyok ba? Parang nahilo ako tapos sumakit yung ulo ko after doon, guys. Si Paris, okay siya doon. Pero ako, And you see what I'm wearing, guys? This one. Itong sweater na to. We showed it to you, I don't know, few weeks ago. Kay Daddy Mike pala to siya. Binili niya para sa sarili niya. Pero, never pa niyang sinuot. And sabi ko, I'll wear this one. Kasi, parang, I don't know. I think he finds it too tight for him. I think so. Ayan. Ako ang nagsuot, guys. Ako ang naka-virgin ng sweater na to. It's very nice pa naman. Very thick yung kanyang, yung kanyang material. It's from the brand Lecoq something. Ayan. Super nice. What is it, na?
Let's get more water.
More water? Na ang water kayo. Naranak o, tananak o. Basa na kayo nga tong lamisa.
Let's get more water.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Nak, have some fruit, Nak. Nak.
The police is come.
The police will come if you don't eat fruit.
No, it's small fish.
Or, I know, the big eagle. The big bird will come and eat the fruit. So try eat the orange, the mandarin. That's so sweet. Especially because it's so sweet, Nak. The eagle will come.
An eagle will come and eat the parrots.
That's right. So you better eat it now.
And the eagle can finish.
Shush.
The eagle finish us.
Yeah.
The eagle finish fruits.
Yeah, the eagle will eat the fruit.
Because the fish sharing.
Yeah. Eat it now.
The eagle will come.
Yeah, the eagle will come.
The eagle can eat his fruit.
Oh, shush. Yeah, that's right. That's why you eat your fruit now. Come on.
No. The fish is come.
Huh?
Fish can be pet eat.
Yeah, the police will come too if Paris want to eat.
The eagle will come and pet eat.
Oh.
The eagle will get eat.
Do you want the eagle to come?
No, the fish come and eat Paris.
Oh. Give Mama one, be. The mandarin, please.
No, gonna buy eagle will get it.
We have to eat it now, or else the eagle will eat it. Come on.
No. Eagle and tree. It can eat tree. He eat tree. The eagle like the trees. The eagle is mama eagle.
Eagle.
Okay, eagle.
Tingnan nyo ang ating baby girl. Sabi niya sa akin kasi umulan na naman, guys. Yeah, Mama will watch you. Sabi niya, ano daw? Puddles. Jumping up and down the muddy puddles. Huh? That one there, oh. There, oh. There's puddle there. There. Yeah, big puddles. Come on. Tingnan nyo, nagsuot siya ng kanyang boots. Jumping up and down the muddy puddles. Splish, splish, splash, splish, splash. Yeah, okay. You jump. Yeah. Very maingay, guys, kasi ang ating heater, oh, naka-on. Sobrang ginaw. That one there. Whoa! It's more. Isis, may pa, kanta-kanta pa siya. Sing, anak. Sing. Jumping up and down.
Mommy, the baby turtles.
Yeah.
Come on, Mommy.
Okay, Mama's coming. That one's a big one. Yes. Yay! Incy spider. Anak, how about the rain go away, nak?
No.
Come again another day. How about this one, ako? Here, this one. That one. Whoa! Are you Peppa Pig? Hmm? Yeah, right there. Umabot na kami dito sa daan, guys. What happened? Yeah, enjoy ang ating baby girl. Buti na lang huminto na yung ulan. Nakalabas kami. Yay! I remember talaga nung nasa Pilipinas pa ba? No puddles? Oh no. Let's find another puddle. Bright na dun, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Yay! Tingnan nyo siya, guys. Oh! Nak, basa ra ba ng sagbot, nak? Ay, sus! Moon! She's watching at the moon, that's why. Yeah, it's there. It's there. But do you know that it's wet, nak? The grass? Hala, your bum will get wet. Usap ko pala aking mother dear guys. Oh, say hi ma. Anak, pikit-pikit ang signal. Ayan. Yan siya ang lola. Watching sa iyang apo na naglalaro. Careful anak ha, na ay car nak. Careful. There you go. That's okay. It's alright. It's going that way.
It's going in the house.
Yeah, it's going in the house.
This is okay, Paris.
It's okay, Paris.
Let's go house. It's home. It's home.
He's home. That's right.
Oh, Paris.
Hi guys, it's now 7:30 ng gabi and nasa kitchen kami. Run away! Nag-ready ng aming dinner! Hi!
No. I want this one.
What would you like? What would you like?
Ah.
There you go!
No, put the back. No.
Which one? Apple?
No.
Okay, you get it.
No, this is
Because
on
it's
that.
hot. Ito yung dinner namin guys. Ayan. What's your mom? Burrito?
Burrito.
Burrito and some salads. Ayan.
Stand up.
But you know me guys, I'm not really into this. Juan. So yung ginawa ko, luto ako ng
Yeah.
corn kernels.
Ow!
Ito yung ipapares ko sa ating burrito. What are you doing? Have a look, Daddy, ah. Alam niyo guys, hanggang ngayon, parang feel ko nahihilo pa rin ako. Nag-start ko siya kanina sa nung nasa park kami ba, sumakay kami dun sa, anong tawag sa laruan na yun? Tuyok-tuyok ba? Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko hanggang ngayon. Hindi siya masakit guys, dizzy lang, parang nahihilo ba na gusto mong sumuka. Sabi nga ni Daddy Mike, uminom ka ng maraming tubig. Kasi baka dehydrated ka rin. Anak ba? Guys, kain muna kami ng dinner ha. Anak, let's go eat dinner, anak.
No, I want to put the water in that.
Have a look, oh.
I'm going to put water on that.
Put the water.
That one.
Okay.
And this one.
What's that for?
Put the water on.
Do you want to put the water in that one? Asan ni Nak?
I put this one the water was.
Pero asan ni Nak?
Put the water bottle.
Let's go eat dinner first. Come, let's go. Careful.
Put the water bottle.
It's 8:30 na pala ng gabi guys. And i-end ko na yung vlog natin dito kasi oh my god, parang feeling ko hilong-hilo pa rin ako guys. Yung ulo ko ba, sakit-sakit pa rin. But, na-remember ko lang. Hindi ko pa pala na-share sa inyo yung ating, very dark. Yung ating positive quote of the day. Ayan, share ko muna sa inyo guys before natin i-end ha. So, yung quote natin for today guys is the...
Put the hat.
Ayan, kita.
Daddy.
Ayan. I am so happy and grateful for where I am right now.
Daddy.
Yes, that is exactly what I'm feeling right now, guys. So happy and grateful for where I am. Especially with these two. Especially with these two. What are you doing to Daddy? Thank you very much guys sa lahat ng suporta na pinapakita nyo sa amin, sa palaging panonood ng mga videos namin. At also, welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy yung channel natin. Anak, oh. There you go. Say thank you, Tito. Thank you, Tita.
Thank you, Tito. Thank you, Tito.
Yay. Please subscribe. And now we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Ninita Del Rosario, Chari Salazar. Shout out to Alexa and Eileen Suganov, Nimya Mandawi, Lyra Fernandez, and to all Silayno, Negros Occidental. Shout out to Trinidad Oscoro, Maria Victoria Pangan, Vicky Inot, and also sa kanyang daughter daw na si Sainel Kite Lupo. Shout out to Helen Potong, Shen Manimog, Gemaline Javier. Shout out din daw sa Santo Domingo family, Bernadette Escocio, LV Montealegre, Chris and Rian's World. Shout out daw sa kanyang relatives, especially sa mga Valmores, Ochi family in Balingasag. Hello! Isilingan dito ay! Balingasag, hello! Always watching your vlog here in Dubai. Thank you! Ingat kayo dyan! Shout out to Vivel Elerio, Lisan Bansil. Shout out to Rosana Mansueto, Ibert Suta 53, and to Maria Micaela Sueta. Shout out to Mad Brat, Marivic Valcorza. Shout out to Marlene Di Malanta, Catherine Villegas, Inday Hementiza Diez Torrijos, Edna Bartulay, Marisa Balingkit, Victoria Baptista, Cherry Ramos and family. Shout out to Jenna Reese, Just Shing, Nori Batak, Norberta Nono, Joanne Ambe, Nenita Del Rosario, and Sharon Ando. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Bye.
bye.